Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows 10 is updated and your camera and mic work. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, download the Zoom installer for Windows and run the exe as administrator to ensure proper drivers install. Make sure to allow camera and microphone access in the Windows privacy settings when the installer or first run asks. This step avoids silent failures. Finally, sign in with your account or SSO so your contacts and settings sync immediately. This saves time when joining. You now open Zoom and choose Join or New Meeting depending on your role. Signing in first gives you host controls. Once in, click Join Audio and pick Computer Audio to use your headset or speakers, or select Phone Call if you need dial-in. Make sure to test mic and speaker levels via the audio settings, and then set video layout and virtual background if needed. Remember that switching devices mid-meeting requires you to reselect audio source, so confirm everything before you start speaking. You finish meetings by using host controls. Mute participants, share screen when needed, record locally or to the cloud, and manage participants from the panel. If audio or video fails, check Windows sound and camera devices first. Select the correct device in Zoom settings and test. If problems persist, restart Zoom, run it as administrator, and confirm privacy permissions in Windows settings. Reinstall the Zoom client to refresh drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting clears device locks and often resolves intermittent camera or mic issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.